To transfer crypto from CoinSwitch to a hardware wallet, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure the secure and successful transfer of your digital assets. First, you need to have a CoinSwitch account and a hardware wallet such as Ledger or Trezor. Make sure your hardware wallet is set up and you have the necessary recovery phrases and pins. Next, log into your CoinSwitch account and navigate to the wallet section where your cryptocurrencies are stored. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the withdraw option. You will be asked to enter the recipient address, which is the address of your hardware wallet. To find this address, open your hardware wallet software and navigate to the receive section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and the software will generate a unique address. Copy this address and paste it into the recipient address field on CoinSwitch. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. You will also need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Be aware of the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits set by CoinSwitch and the fees associated with the transfer. Once you have entered the recipient address and the amount, review the transaction details carefully and confirm the transfer. The transfer may take some time to process depending on the blockchain network. After the transfer is complete, log into your hardware wallet software to verify that the funds have been received. It is essential to keep your hardware wallet and recovery phrases safe to prevent any unauthorized access to your digital assets. As a best practice, always use the latest version of your hardware wallet software and keep your device up to date. Also, never share your recovery phrases or pins with anyone and always use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to secure your accounts. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely transfer your cryptocurrency from CoinSwitch to your hardware wallet and enjoy an additional layer of protection for your digital assets.